In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to reinstall your tire and torque the lug nuts. It's pretty cut and dry. Inspect the rotor top pad surface for any large chunks of rust. If there are any, go ahead and take a screwdriver or a chisel and scrape them off. You also want to inspect the mating flange on the rim. If this is going to be okay, but if there's any large pieces thicker than, say, human hair, you're going to want to wire brush them off or use a file or a chisel to get them off there. Once you've made sure the surfaces are good, clean, and flat, what I like to do is line up the bottom lug stud. Once you get the bottom one on, it makes it pretty easy to do the others. You line up the bottom lug stud, right there. Slide it tight and start a couple lug nuts. I like to use my foot right there to hold the wheel in position. That way it leaves both my hands free to get the acorn nut started. Again, you're going to always want to start these nuts a couple threads by hand. It's not something that you can just drop in your four-way and aim for the hole and try and put them on. If you cross thread the stud, it's going to be no good. You'll require the services of a professional mechanic to change that stud. There you go, we got them all started. I like to use a four-way when I'm removing and installing tires. It seems to be the best tool out there. Go ahead and give it a spin. You're going to want to torque these in a star pattern. You're going to start here, and from there you're going to go directly across. It's pretty much the next farthest away bolt. This is going to be the farthest one away. You're just going to spin them down hand tight. Once the wheel turns, they're pretty good. The next farthest away bolt is down here. As you can see, we went from here to here, and then the next farthest one away. The next farthest one away. And the next farthest one away. When you tighten them in that pattern, that ensures that the wheel hasn't bound on the hub and is actually seating flat and true to the mating surface of the bearing hub. And that's how you properly snug the wheel down.